Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Porsche Cayenne guys. For the generation from 2002 to 2010. Now, we'll guys show you where to find the fuse for your rear window wiper. If the wiper doesn't work, we'll show you where to find it. We'll guys have more than 200 videos on these cars, so please subscribe guys. Our goal is to save you guys as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. So, all the tools and parts usually can be found in the description of our video below. Check it out. Now, this is the rear window wiper. Okay, let me show you. And if it doesn't work, okay, check out that fuse guys. We also have a video how to fix that because that's a weak spot, and all the mechanical videos will be on our main channel, Auto Repair guys, so please check it out. This is our main channel, and this channel, Electrical Car Repair Lives, is for the electrical videos. Now you need to guys open the door here. This cover needs to come out. You have 5 clips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we need to guys, find fuse, in our case with fuse 52. Let me see. It will be, a fuse 52. It's a 30 amp fuse, this fuse right here guys. So this is the one for the rear window wiper. Just grab it, pull it out, replace it with a new one, and we're going to see if it works now. Okay, perfect. Now, let's go ahead, turn the key on and see if it works. Okay, I'm going to switch it on. Okay, let's see now if we can turn it on or we have a problem somewhere else. Okay, it works. We just had to turn the ignition on all the way. So, that's it guys, thank you for... Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out, we have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.